Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. In today's video, which is video number 5, it is continuation of percentage topic, and you can see here the earlier 4 videos I have made on the topic here. It is highlighted what are the concepts. So in video 5, we are talking about increase and decrease of the amount by the given percentage. So let's see here. So if you have to increase the amount by the given percentage, the scenario is part A. $60 you have to increase by 20%. The word problem could be that you have a pocket money $60 and it is increased by 20%. So how much they will be increased and what is your new pocket money? Okay, in word problem it could come in any scenario. So I will first of all find out what is the increase. There are 2 methods. I will teach you both methods here. So for example, I have to find out what is 20% of 60. I will not write dollar here, I will write it later. Okay, so 20 upon 100 into 60 and you will cancel it because in class 7 or 8 usually calculator is not allowed. So you should have very strong tables, right? Okay, so 60% if I want, 20% of 60 if I want to find out, it is equals to $12. So my new amount will be what? 60 plus 12, which is equals to $72. So I can say increase by 12%, 12, and new amount is $72. Second method. What is the second method? Actual amount is always 100%. And how much it is increasing? 20%. So 100 plus 20 is 120. This method will give me directly the new amount. So 120% of 60. If I solve here, so 6 times 12 is 72. So straight away I got the new increased amount. So if I want to find out how much it increased by how much, so I will do 72 minus 60. So in both the methods you can find out by how much something is increasing and what is the new amount, right? Let's see part B. Now this is in the fractional form. So how to handle these type of thing? So now 12, okay, I told you in the last video there are certain fractions which are easy to figure out. In this case 12.5%. So half is what? 0.5. So it is 12.5% of 32. Now 32 gram could be anything. So I am increasing it by 12.5%. So what is the technique? 12.5 divided by 100 into 32. Now, if I start cancelling it, then division by decimal number is difficult. So I would recommend here what you can do. We have learned in the previous video that when something is divided by 100, decimal jumps left. So in this case, this decimal will jump 2 places left and it will come before 1. So it will become 0.125 times 32. And you can easily multiply it because you have learned decimal multiplication. And in multiplication, reminding you, we do not consider decimal in between these steps. In the last step, we will consider it. Right? So 2 times 5 is 10. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 2 1s are 2. 2 0s are 0. Then 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 3 1s are 3 and 3 zeros are 0. Then you add up. Decimal is after 3 digits. So it is 1, 2, 3. So it will come here. So what is this? It is increased by 4 gram. So what is your new amount? 32 plus 4 equals to 36. Right? So second method I'm not doing here because I've explained it to you. That is your choice. But I would like to highlight here one thing. In case, because this question might be coming in your mind, right now I have 12.5, 12.5, which is easy to write in decimal. But what if somebody has a number which cannot be, for example, then what will you do? So I'm just telling you, let me take easy number right now so that I can explain better. because technique will remain same. So for example, any such thing, right? So what you can do, you do 3 times 12 is 12 3s are 36. 36 plus 2 is 38. So what this question will be? 38 divided by 3% mean divided by 100, right? I'm only changing this right now. So this will be 38 upon 3 into 1 upon 100. So first of all, simplify here. I'm still simplifying this thing. So whatever my answer will come here, I will replace it by this number here. Which number? This number, because I'm simplifying the percentage here. So my question, which will be 12 upon 3% of 32, right? It will be like this. So instead of 12 whole 2 upon 3 percentage, I will write this thing, 38 upon 3 into 1 upon 100 into 32. And then I will start cancelling numerator with denominator wherever I can. You get my point? So if I cancel it here, you know, the table of 2, you should have a strong table. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 5s are 10, 2 0s are 0, 2 8s are 16, 2 25s are. Where you cannot cancel further, you will multiply numerators with numerator and denominator with denominator and then go for long division. It will be a little lengthy, but this is the way it will be handled. So the 4 questions I have given you here for your understanding, to check your understanding. So you try it out and answers I have given you. Let's see the same concept but with decrease amount. So it is exactly same, but only I will minus this time. For example, my pocket money is $88 and it is reduced by 5%. So one method is, I will check what is 5% of 88. Exactly the way we have done in the above case. Okay, what is that equals to? So it is what? 44 divided by 10, which is equals to what? 4.4. Because we know when we divide by 10, the decimal which is here will jump one place left. So by this amount it will decrease. What will decrease? 88. So what you will do to find out the new amount? Achha, now there is something very important. In 88, decimal is here. So when we are subtracting decimal number, we write the digits at the correct place, right? Do not write like this 4.4. It will go wrong. So in decimal, addition and subtraction, you have to be very careful. So now when you will subtract it, first of all, you can do mentally. If you cannot, you can do it like this, okay? So it is 83.6. After the reduction by $4.4, it is 83.6. And if you want to do it directly, what you will do? Because 5% is reduced, actual thing is 100%. 100 minus 5 is what? 95. So you will do 95% of 88. This will give you straight away this answer, right? So just like this, 95 upon 100 into 88, and then you simplify it. Now part B and these two parts, C and D, I am leaving here for your test for understanding. But this word problem I want to discuss here. The reason is just to give you an idea how come the same number questions change into word problems. The situation remains same. So you need to understand how to apply concept. Gary buys a dress in a sale. The normal price of the dress is reduced by 20%. So whatever the normal price was, it was reduced by 20%. So what percentage you are paying now? You are paying only 80% now. If the normal price is 36.80, how will you find out the sale price? What will you do? Tell me. Two method. If this is the normal price, I can do 20% of 36.8 to find out how much I do not have to pay, because 20% is the discount, is the amount which I don't have to pay. So 20 upon 100 into 36.80, right? So now what you will do? Cancellation here is difficult, little difficult, na? So you know here any number divided by 100 will make decimal jump 2 places left. So it is 0.2 into 36.80. Now this we can easily multiply. How? I told you when you multiply, do not consider decimal. It can be written anywhere, like right underneath or little on the side. For example, I can write like this also. Let me tell you. I can write it like this also, no problem. Because when we multiply, we do not consider it. In the last, we count it. So for example, I multiply by 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 eights are 16. 2 6 are 12. Plus 1, 13. 2 3s are 6. Plus 1, 7. With this 0, 0 times 0, 0 times 8, 0 times 6, 0 times 3. Right? I will add up. What it will be? Now I have to put decimal according to first number after 2 places and here after 1 place, altogether 3 places. So I will count from here 1, 2, 3. So my answer will be 7.360. What is this amount? Which you will not pay. So what will you pay then? From 36.80, you will minus 7.36. Right? You can leave this 0. So what it will be? £29.44 you will pay for the dress. Make sense? So your discount is this much. So try out these 2 questions and this one. I am leaving it because I've already explained in the increased case. So now you know how to handle it. So try it out, and if you have any confusion, you can write in the comment.